Hey everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in 30 seconds how to use your iPad as an external monitor. And you don't need to download anything. All you need is obviously a Mac and an iPad that is compatible. Here's the list of Mac and iPads that are compatible. And here is the list of the iPads that are compatible, and here's the list of the Macs. Alright, so all you need to do is go into the system preference and go into the Sidecar, and that's the only app that you will need. But make sure your iPad has the Wi-Fi on. Then go on select device and select your iPad. Wait a few seconds and your iPad will turn into an external monitor. And that's it. Super simple. That's all you need to do. You can even use your Apple Pencil if you want to as a tablet for Photoshop, Lightroom, and so on. Your iPad will be recognized as an external monitor, so you can reposition the iPad from left to right if you need to, just like a normal monitor. And that's it, super simple. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and also click on the notification bell, because otherwise you won't get notifications for my next videos. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a studio on the go. This was all done for less than €100. I'll see you in the next one.